Hi, my name is Samira Barrow. I am from Raleigh, North Carolina, and I'm a sophomore here at North Carolina Central University. Here, I am studying psychology and biomedical sciences, pre-med, and upon graduation, I plan on going to medical school in hopes to become a psychiatrist. Um, I chose this field of medicine just because of, my own mental health issues, like growing up, mainly from middle school up. I mean, even now, and I really just want to help, other people like me be able to live a normal life and not miss out on things because of, their mental health issues. Some strengths and skills that I have are um, include leadership, communication, organization, being willing to learn, attention to detail, integrity, empathy, and a positive attitude. I think that all of these strengths and skills are really important going into a field of medicine, or not even just medicine, but psychology, in general, or really any field. But I think these are really important to possess, especially right now with me, halfway to graduation to my degree. Um, and it'll definitely help in the long run. Some support that I have are from my college advisor, um, having a mentor, professors, internships, volunteer work, and professional work experience. Right now, I only really have my college advisor. I haven't been too hands on with my internships and things like that. But going forward, especially now with me, like I said, halfway through my degree, going forward, definitely getting a mentor that can definitely help me, which what ideally would be a psychology professor. But if not, I also have other professors that I could just speak to. Definitely getting a internship. Ideally, I would like one in psychology and one with dealing with biology, just to have both on my plate. Definitely volunteering, just to get a feel of the environment, and just being somewhere that I have a passion for, like you know, professional work experience. Um, Upon graduation, I am on the fence about taking a gap year in between medical school and undergrad, um, just because of the fact that I want to be able to strengthen my medical school application. Um, and I feel like with me being a dual major in psychology and pre med, in my undergrad years, my time is crunched because I have my plate is full. And so by taking a gap year, I'm able to be released from school, but I'm still in that, I'm still in my field to where then I can, um, prepare myself for, medical school and, actually going into practicing medicine. Some skills that I need to develop: interpersonal skills, deductive and inductive reasoning skills, handling stress, and being able to manage myself, others, and time. I think right now, I do possess a lot of these skills, but definitely need to improve. Um, I think these are all very important skills to becoming a doctor. Interpersonal skills, being around patients, especially patients that, you know, are struggling mentally, um, is very important. Being able to build that bond with your patients, is definitely important. And I think that's probably my number one. Deductive and inductive reasoning skills, definitely for medicine, making smart decisions and being able to help, patients the way that they need to be helped. Stress tolerance and managing myself, um, definitely. Um, Medical school is, rigorous, and I know that is gonna take a lot of hard work, and um, definitely need to make sure I have that down packed. Going forward, my plan is to continue doing what I'm doing with my degree. Don't stress too hard, do what I do and develop the skills that I need to develop to become a doctor. Um, Going forward, it's not too much that I can do right now just because I do have um a secondary school to go to versus like getting a master's or something like that. So I feel like many of the skills that I have just previously talked about that can be developed, I feel like will really get perfected once I get to medical school. Um, so yeah, just learn more about myself um these last couple years and I will do just fine. Thank you.